Hello, this is Kevin Annett, Eagle Strong Voice. It's August 1st, 2023. We have a very important breaking announcement from the Indigenous elders across Canada and the International Commonwealth Court of Justice. Now, you know, over the last number of weeks, we have been enacting a banishment proclamation Indigenous elders of 9 nations issued against the genocidal Roman Catholic, Anglican, and United Churches of Canada for their mass murder of over 60,000 Indigenous children in the death camps people call residential schools. Now, to follow up on that, the same elders have authorized the convening of a special West Coast Commonwealth Court of Justice to prosecute those responsible for the continuing genocide and its cover-up, and for the murder or destruction of the lives of 15 people connected to our movement. So we have an announcement today from the West Coast Commonwealth Court of Justice, which will convene in September. And here's the announcement. The court will convene on Monday, September 11th, 2023 in the City of Vancouver. Its mandate will be to investigate and prosecute a criminal conspiracy to conceal and perpetuate crimes against humanity in Canada and to harass, destroy, and kill Indigenous people and community activists. The court will investigate, indict, and prosecute any person or organization implicated in this conspiracy and its criminal harassment, destruction, or murder of the following individuals: Harriett Nahanee, William Coombs, Johnny Bingo Dawson, Ricky Lavallee, Harry Wilson, Edna Brass, Pamela Holm, and Kevin Annett in Vancouver, Mark Angus, Krista Lynn, John Sargent, Willie Sport, and Archie Frank in Port Alberni, and Chief Louis Daniels and Ron Barbour in Winnipeg. The court's proceedings and records will be open to the public and the media. But before its proceedings commence, the court will be holding closed hearings in Vancouver to receive the testimonies and affidavits of anyone possessing evidence pertaining to these matters. These witnesses will be granted immunity from prosecution in return for their statements, which will be held in strict confidentiality until the trial begins. Now, the West Coast Commonwealth Court of Justice calls upon all persons with information pertaining to these matters to contact our court secretary immediately. And you can do that by writing to itccsoffice@protonmail.com. More updates will follow at murderbydecree.com under ITCCS updates. This was issued today, August 1st, by the West Coast Commonwealth Court of Justice, affiliated to the International Tribunal of Crimes of Church and State. This announcement will be going out around the world. We will be inviting international observers and the media and the public into the proceedings. Now, we especially make a call for people within these criminal Catholic, Anglican, and United Churches, the officials and clergy and members, to come forward at this time. You have done in the past to help us point out where these crimes are continuing to happen. We call upon you now to come forward. You will be immune for prosecution if you share information on the murder or destruction of the lives of these 15 brothers and sisters. This is Kevin Annett, Eagle Strong Voice, from traditional Musqueam, Squamish, and Stolo Nation territory within the Republic of Canada on the West Coast. We invoke the authority of the elders and natural law and the authority of we under the sovereignty of the Republic and the true wampum. This is Kevin Annett, Eagle Strong Voice. Stand by for more.